With technology constantly advancing, it's important now more than ever to have the relevant digital skills for either your personal or professional life. Many of these skills are easy enough to learn, can be profitable, and don't take up much time. Welcome to BlockLink Digital, where everything there is to know about AI, cybersecurity, and the blockchain universe is just one click away. Our goal is to expand your horizon to the many skills and ways of thinking needed to excel in this fascinating environment, while also making this information accessible to everyone, regardless of their prior knowledge or experience. So we hope you're ready because, in this video, we'll be listing some essential, easy to learn, and, most of all, profitable skills. 1. Copywriting. Copywriting is the art of writing persuasive and engaging content to get people to take action. It generally involves using words, phrases, and techniques to convince readers or viewers to buy a product or service. It's also an important skill to keep in mind for anyone looking to make easy money online, as it doesn't require much experience and can be applied to websites, emails, ads, social media, and more. How easy is it to learn? Copywriting is among the easiest skills to pick up for an extra source of cash. Therefore, it's not exactly the most profitable skill on this list. If you're good and dedicated enough, however, it may become your main revenue source in the future should you find the right client. How do I make money using it? Copywriting is in high demand, and you can easily find freelance work or become an in-house copywriter for a company. Companies often pay respectable salaries to their copywriters for their services, and you can also charge your rates down the line as you begin developing your reputation. In the US, copywriters generally make around $70,000 per year. 2. Cloud computing. Cloud computing has become an essential part of modern business, allowing for easy file storage, backup, and sharing. Knowing how to properly manage cloud applications can help make your job easier as well as boost efficiency. How easy is it to learn? Cloud computing isn't the easiest skill to learn. However, it's not overly complicated either. There are plenty of resources available online, as well as educational classes and seminars you can attend to learn the basics. How do I make money using it? Companies are always in need of cloud computing experts, and you can easily find freelance work or a full-time job. You can also work with companies to develop cloud-based solutions for their business needs. After securing employment, you can expect an average yearly salary of $120,000. 3. Social media management. An understanding of social media is necessary for success in the digital age. Knowing how to use different platforms, create content, and maintain a strong presence will give you an edge when it comes to promoting your business or brand. How easy is it to learn? Like every other skill in existence, you can find plenty of resources on the internet. From blog posts to online courses, you can very easily pick up the basics of social media management and get started. Starting from scratch, becoming a social media manager usually takes 6 months at the most. Don't let this deter you. A lot of people become proficient in this skill in as little as 1 month. How do I make money using it? As with most jobs in high demand, landing your first job as a social media manager may take a while as the competition is somewhat fierce. Most of the time, you can still find freelance or full-time work with enough perseverance and begin adding to your experience. Companies often hire social media managers to create content, growing their following, and increase engagement. Social media experts who have 1 to 3 years of experience in the field make, on average, a yearly salary of $57,000. 4. Technical analysis. This skill is crucial if you're interested in cryptocurrency. If you want to be a successful trader, learning technical analysis is all but required. This involves studying the market carefully and looking for signs that indicate whether it is a good or bad time to buy or sell a particular cryptocurrency. Doing this effectively takes a lot of dedication and hard work. After years of experience, even the most seasoned cryptocurrency investor can still make costly mistakes if they're not vigilant. For example, selling too soon or holding on to a token for too long can result in lost opportunities and profits. This pressure is especially intense for those new to the game. How easy is it to learn? This is where it gets tricky. Learning this skill takes time and practice. It's best to start slowly so that you can focus on mastering key concepts before you get into the more complicated and risky aspects. By doing this, you will become more adept at making successful trades over time. How do I make money using it? The rewards for skilled technical analysis can be quite generous. Experienced crypto investors often reap substantial rewards from their trades. Some even grow exorbitantly rich, making hundreds of thousands, sometimes even millions of dollars. With the right strategy, you could too. As we've said, if you're interested, we recommend starting slow and feeling things out. And there's no better place to start than Crypto.com. Its intuitive design makes it easy for beginners to start trading, and its low fees make for a profitable experience. Crypto.com also offers educational resources that teach beginner traders the basics of technical analysis. With quality education, low-cost trading options, and a highly secure environment, Crypto.com is the go-to platform for beginner and veteran traders alike. 5. Email marketing. Successful email marketing involves more than just sending out emails. It involves understanding customer behaviors and knowing how to create effective campaigns. With the right strategies, email marketing can be an incredibly powerful tool for reaching customers and boosting revenue. How easy is it to learn? Email marketing isn't particularly difficult to grasp. Resources like blog posts, online courses, and books can help you get the ball rolling rather quickly. On average, it takes around 1 to 2 months of dedicated learning to become proficient in email marketing, although most of the basics can be picked up in 1 to 2 weeks. How do I make money using it? Companies often pay good money for email marketing services, so this can be a lucrative job. You can also offer your services as a freelancer or start your own email marketing business. On average, email marketers make an average of $60,000 a year. Not bad for a skill you can pick up in your free time, is it? 6. Data analysis. Knowing how to use data analysis software is essential in today's digital world. Knowing how to interpret and analyze data will allow you to make more informed decisions and help you maximize profits. How easy is it to learn? Most people pick up on the basics of this skill in only 3 months. While this may seem like a relatively long time, it's actually well worth it considering the potential rewards. If you spend more time learning it and becoming proficient at it, you can potentially make even more money. A senior data analyst can expect a yearly salary of $100,000. How do I make money using it? Now more than ever, companies need experienced data analysts, so this can be a great field to find freelance or full-time work. You can also offer your services as an independent consultant. 7. Web design. Having the ability to create websites from scratch is a valuable skill, as it provides an opportunity to stand out from the competition. Knowing how to design effective and aesthetically pleasing websites will make any business more attractive to potential customers. How easy is it to learn? Website design isn't particularly the easiest skill to learn, but it's also one of the more profitable skills on this list. 3 to 4 months is the average amount of time it takes to complete a web development bootcamp. You'll learn all the skills you need to qualify for a web developer job within this timeframe. Although it is not complicated to learn the basics of web development, it takes years of practice and dedication to truly master it. How do I make money using it? Web design services are always in demand, and your first job may not be easy to land or necessarily pay much, but that's perfectly fine because as you become more experienced and expand your repertoire, you'll start to see more opportunities come your way. You can also look for freelance work or start your own web design business. A good web designer can expect to make upwards of $100,000 per year. 8. Basic computer skills. Having basic computer skills is an essential part of being able to work in the modern world. Being able to navigate your way around computers, create and open documents, and use the internet are all important skills that employers look for. How easy is it to learn? This can vary depending on a person's familiarity with computers, but it's fairly straightforward to pick up. A lot of the time, when people refer to basic computer skills, they're typically talking about things like how to open and create documents, how to save files, how to navigate around your computer, along with basic internet skills. How do I make money using it? As we stated, basic computer skills have become a requirement for many different types of employment, as it is now as essential as being able to read or write. You can also use your computer skills to learn other, much more profitable skills like creating websites, developing software, or overseeing digital marketing campaigns for companies. In conclusion, having digital skills is essential to success in the modern world. The more digital skills you have under your belt, the more opportunities you'll have to make money. Who knows? Depending on how much time you decide to put in, you may eventually be able to quit your boring old job and find permanent employment somewhere else. We've only scratched the surface of the many digital skills you can learn, so if none of them interest you, there is sure to be something else out there that does. With a bit of dedication, you can make all your dreams come true. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the following video. But until then, please remember, take one step at a time and always dream big.